Hello, today I'll show you how to make a heart monitor in Scratch. As you can see, this looks like a heart monitor. And one cool thing you can do is if you press space, you can set the BPM to 0. So let's get started. First, delete the cat and paint a sprite. Name it monitor. Now, in code, click here and pen. Now, when green flag is clicked, create two new variables named BPM for beats per minute for all sprites, and then speed for all sprites. Set BPM to any number, and then set speed to 2. Now, create a new block named create beats. Run without screen refresh. And before this, create another block named prepare list. Run without screen refresh. And actually make create beats not run without screen refresh. But anyways, prepare list. We'll first erase all, then create a new list called y for the y value, then delete all of y, and repeat 480 divided by speed, like this, and add 0 to y. Now, in here, forever create beats, then pen up, set pen color to a nice green color, like that. Set pen size to 3, then go to -240, 0. Then create a new variable named y for this sprite only. Set y to 0. Create another new variable named timer. And for this sprite only, set timer to 1. Then create another variable named beat for this sprite only. Set beat to 0. Now, duplicate this, remove that, then change beat by 1, delete 1 of y, then change y by divide, then a subtract, then pick random in the right slot, 3 to 5. Then another subtract, and then do y position subtracted by 0, subtracted by y. Then set y to, duplicate this part, place y here and then here, and then times by -1. Now, change timer by 1 divided by 30, since Scratch runs at 30 frames a second. Now, if timer is greater than pick random 80 to 160 divided by 60. And then a if else set space, if key space pressed, set BPM to 0, else set BPM to pick random 1 to 100. And then down here, set Y to BPM times -1. And set timer to 0. Now, add Y position to Y, and then create another new block named fast fill. Run without screen refresh. Now in here, erase all. Set beat to 0, then go to -240 and 0. Then set pen transparency to 100. Now repeat 240 divided by speed, change pen transparency by -50 divided by 240 divided by speed, and then pen down. Now change beats by 1, change X by speed, and then set Y to item beats of Y. Beats of Y. Now duplicate this part, and this time change this to 50 divided by 240 divided by speed, and then don't need to change all of that. And lastly, pen up. Now if you test it, it will have a nice effect like this. And to make it look even better, go into backdrops, use the box tool, make sure there's no outline, and make the fill a gradient. Now the left will be a very dark green, and right will just be black. And now if you place this, as you can see, it'll have a nice greenish tint to it. And now if you test it, as you can see, it works. And if you want, you can show the BPM. Now, if you press space, BPM will be 0. Now you have a heart monitor in Scratch. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.